Now we'll practice Gomukhasan. Place the right foot besides the left thigh and the left foot under the right buttock. Adjust both knees exactly on one another. Straighten the back. Raise the right hand over the head. Lower the left hand and bend the elbow. Clasp your palms on your back. Push your right elbow behind your head. Try to press the head and the hands against each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now ensure both the hands are in straight line. Sit erect. Stomach in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands and legs. Now keep the left foot besides your right thigh and place the right foot to the left. See that your knees are on top of each other in one line. Keep the back straight. Raise the left hand over the head. Lower the right hand and bend the elbow. Clasp your palms on your back. Push your left elbow behind your head. Press head and hands against each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit erect and ensure that both the hands are in straight line. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands and legs.